If you're a retiree looking to secure your future, you're probably thinking about how to diversify your portfolio with low-cost, high-impact assets. The good news is, with a little knowledge and strategy, you can protect and grow your wealth in a way that benefits you long-term. Stick around, because I'm about to share exactly how to do it. A balanced portfolio isn't just about stocks and bonds. While they've traditionally been a staple, there are other high-impact assets that can help hedge against market volatility and inflation. But how do you do it without blowing your budget or taking unnecessary risks? Let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about gold IRAs. Gold is one of the oldest forms of wealth protection, and for good reason. Unlike paper assets that can be affected by market fluctuations, gold holds intrinsic value. In fact, many retirees have been turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth, especially when inflation and market uncertainty loom. If you're serious about securing your wealth over the next 2 weeks, the first link in the description will give you access to a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already using it to protect their savings. Now, what makes gold IRAs such an excellent option? Well, for one, it allows you to invest in physical gold, silver, and other precious metals, giving you a tangible asset that can thrive when other investments falter. It's a direct hedge against inflation and a way to preserve purchasing power, especially for those with 100K or more in their IRA or 401K. But if you're not ready to go all in with precious metals, there are other low-cost options you can explore. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in property without having to manage physical properties yourself. It's an easy way to tap into the real estate market without large upfront costs. While REITs can offer good returns, they don't quite stack up to gold IRAs when it comes to long-term protection. Another high-impact asset to consider is dividend-paying stocks. These stocks provide steady income while also giving you potential growth. But it's important to note that these stocks are tied to market conditions and may not perform as well during downturns. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, tend to rise in value during tough times. And that's why, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the coming weeks, you should definitely check out the free guide I mentioned earlier. Bonds are another option often recommended for retirees. They offer more stability than stocks, but their returns are generally lower. Depending on the bond type, the returns may not even outpace inflation. This is why many retirees are shifting focus to gold IRAs, where the growth potential is more consistent and has long-term value preservation. Next up, don't forget about cash equivalents. Things like money market funds or certificates of deposit, CDs, are considered safe investments, but again, the returns can be underwhelming when compared to more impactful assets like precious metals. In fact, in times of high inflation, these assets may even lose value. This is where gold IRAs once again come in, offering a tangible asset that can hold its value even when cash equivalents can't. Diversification is key, but not all diversifications are created equal. When you combine lower-cost assets like bonds and dividend stocks with higher-impact assets like gold, you're setting yourself up for a much more robust portfolio. Gold IRAs allow you to add stability to your portfolio without putting all your eggs in the same basket. Plus, it's a powerful way to hedge against the unexpected. So, if you have 100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5M plus in savings, now's the time to act. I encourage you to click the first link in the description to get your free guide on gold IRAs and learn why so many Americans are turning to this smart, low-cost, high-impact asset to protect their financial future. Remember, it's not about having a lot of assets, it's about having the right ones. Diversifying your portfolio with low-cost, high-impact assets like gold IRAs is one of the smartest things you can do as you enter retirement. Start today.